There are two tutorials in this video. 1. How to install the solar charger controller. 2. How to install Bluetooth application in order the device to sync properly with your phone. See the compatible devices. Prepare the materials we need for installation: battery bank, inverter, solar panel with 300 watts. Secure the charge controller in the flat surface. Connect the battery first to the charge controller. Battery input location. Now, install the solar panel terminal. Turn on the isolator switch. And now the solar charge controller is properly installed and working. Let us proceed to our second video on how to install Bluetooth application in order the device to sync properly with your phone. Open the Google browser in your phone. Search and type SolarX. Select the first search result. Select On Page tab and select Download Page. Scroll down and find your device model. In here, you can also download the manual. Click the icon to download the Bluetooth apps. Click Install. Move your phone near to the device. Open the application. Turn on the Bluetooth. Click the Search Bluetooth bar. Click the Skywise name. That's it, the device and the application are in sync. In the Monitor tab, you can check the PV status, battery status and load status. Let us see on PV status. In this page, you will see the detail of the solar panel and the generated graphs of 60 days. Same also on the battery page. Now if you want to change the setting of the device, click Device Parameter. To change battery settings, click here. There are 4 types of battery setup you can select: lithium, liquid, gel and AGM. You can even adjust on advanced settings. If you make any changes, do not forget to click Send button to apply new setup. Now on Load Parameter. You can set the work mode with this 4 choices. If you select Manual mode, load will only activate when pressing menu button once on the device, and deactivate on pressing again on the button once. By selecting 24 hours, load is activated 24 hours a day. If you select dusk to dawn, load will activate during sundown, and deactivate during sunrise. If you select fixed lighting hours, you can activate the load according to the time you need, and more settings can be adjusted. And for more information, visit our website and download the manuals according to your device model. 1 Solar X. Build your solar energy.